Hello and welcome to my channel today. Today I'm going to make chickpea salad, that's also called garbanzo bean salad. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Chickpea are high in protein, dietary fiber and iron. Chickpea salad is very easy to make and perfect for lunch. Chickpea is also known as garbanzo beans in Europe. Experts say chickpea may help reduce weight and control blood sugar. Let's get started to make the recipe. We have taken chickpea 1 cup, overnight soaked, drained and rinsed. Now we'll be adding grated carrot 1 cup. Adding cucumber 1 cup. Green chilli 3 to 4, salt as per taste, lemon juice 2 to 3 tablespoons, olive oil 1 tablespoon, black pepper half tablespoon, chaat masala 1 tablespoon, chilli flakes half tablespoon, mix it all together nicely. You can make it spicy the way you like. I have added spice as per my taste. You can add more or less according to your taste. It's very easy, tasty and nutritious salad and can be made and served in minutes. Now it's ready to serve in the bowl. It's looking so delicious. If you want to lose your weight, salads are the best. I have garnished it with chilli flakes. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. See you in my next episode. Bye bye.